This is Robert Clem's 1966 painting of an Eskimo curlew on a distant tundra. The last living one was shot far away in Barbados 3 years earlier. The yellow light of the late day washes over a lone curlew as it gazes into the distance. Her only company is the passage of time and a dark shadow in the slowly moving water. Moving water is a common thread in the lives of many birds. I found this long-billed curlew in a pose remarkably similar to Clem's bird on a California beach as the surf approached and played with its legs. These birds winter at the beach, but are not often seen feeding there. They prefer to eat on grassy shorelines. Not so the much commoner marbled Godwit, who probes the beach incessantly for any food it can find. Godwits enter water deep enough to swim in. Surface tension brings water up with the bird's bill, and then it pops like a soap bubble. We leave the beach and travel to a bird refuge near Las Vegas, Nevada. Here in the middle of the desert, it's easy to find the little Bufflehead. You can get close enough to see the purple sheen on the male's head, and in slow motion, watch how the water runs down, just like rolling off a duck's back. Ducks have an oil gland at the base of their tails and spread the oil all over to become waterproof. This ring-necked duck is also spreading oil. He has passed along to a spot in front of some shaded water and decided to bathe. A lucky accident to film this splashing bird. Afterward, he applies more oil and is not paying attention to a floating, sleeping shoveler. Shovelers are among our commonest ducks. They like to feed in these tight groups, possibly to stir food up from the bottom. They're colorful birds, as is easy to see when the wings are flapping. Waving black and white plumes, cerulean blue and metallic green on the wings, and with the shake of the tail, a darker green at its base. Near where the ring-necked duck was bathing, a male shoveler takes a bath too. But a neighbor has other ideas. In a far corner of the lake, a mated pair anticipates the breeding season with ritualized head bobbing. And even as we watch this private moment in a quiet cove, we find the ever-present movement of the water.